Hi everybody, welcome back to my Lupus Diary, and this is Disha for you. This is again about COVID-19 vaccination, and today this is not about I am going to take the vaccine or I'm not going to take the vaccine. Today's blog is particularly for the Indian government rather. I have put that on Twitter also this morning to the government of India, appealing the same thing that we as patients, autoimmune patients, or my husband has is a high cholesterol, high hypertensive patient. He needs the vaccine more. I need the vaccine being a lupus patient, and we are not qualified to get the vaccine right now, as of now, because we are youngsters. We are of a certain age group where the vaccine is still not available, and the vaccine is available for anybody above 45 years of age, but that is not going to work for us because we are below 45 years of age. Now tell me one thing, guys, for those whom the Indian government is providing the vaccine right now, which is a great thing that they are doing. I am so proud of my country, the way they are working right now. But my only question is, those people who are entitled to take the vaccine, that is anybody above 45 years of age, or it was before anybody above 60 years and everybody, but there are so many old age people who are not even wanting to take the vaccine or not willing to take the vaccine, or just lethargically not taking the vaccine, if I may say so. So even such people are around. Now my question right now over here today is, I as a patient, my husband as a patient, or other lupus patient are down in India are ready to take the vaccine. Or there might be n number of people who are ready to take the vaccine. Our doctors are willing to agree on the fact that we can take the vaccine. Can please the government do something and start the vaccination for the patients? Any patient, any ailment, big or small, but patients should get the first priority. That is what I feel. I am talking as a patient, as a layman. I don't know, not know what government thinks, how they function, what their plannings. Obviously, they're going to think on a larger scale. But then that is my request, and ये मेरी रिक्वेस्ट लिटरली आई एम स्पीकिंग इन हिंदी के ये मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है इंडियन गवर्नमेंट से, स्पेशली गुजरात गवर्नमेंट से, एटलीस्ट हमें वैक्सीन दीजिए, जिनको लेनी है उनको दीजिए. Give the vaccination to the people who are ready to take the vaccination. Why are the other people are allowed and fall in the age group where the vaccination is allowed, and it is free? In our nation it is free. The government is so kind enough to give the vaccine for free, and still there are so many people not taking the vaccination. Have you lost it, guys? You are more at a threat not taking the vaccine than taking the vaccine. How do you not understand that? And ले लो यार, और नहीं लेना है तो एटलीस्ट लेट अस टेक इट. एटलीस्ट somebody will take it. आपको नहीं लेना है, नहीं लेगो, आप लोग एक अपील डाल दो गवर्नमेंट को कि भैया वी आर अबाउट 60 years of age but we are not wanting to take the vaccine, so please let the kids who are ready to take the vaccine or the youngsters who are willing to take the vaccine, give them the vaccine. Do that. I don't mind that. My only question is, if you are not ready to take the vaccine yourself, put it to the government that देखो भैया हम we have a mindset and we are not ready to take the vaccine. I don't know, there are so many elders who are willing to take the vaccine first hand, who have taken, and I salute those people. I just saw a post from Mr. Salman Khan yesterday night, and he just quoted that he has been vaccinated, he took his first dose. The minute it was said that anybody without the comorbidity, sorry, anybody without a comorbidity can take the vaccine, I suppose the same day he has taken the vaccine. That is how prompt you need to be for the vaccinations. And why can't he be? I mean, I am nobody to comment on any celebrity, okay? But this is a normal thing. A person whom everybody knows. So I am taking his example. I can't take my neighbor's example. Ke, bhaiya, my neighbor has taken the vaccine. He is about 50. So you please do it too, because you see, he is such a nice man to take it. But then I can't say that because nobody will relate, right? So this is just a reference. But at the end of the day, this vlog was a small little vlog just to tell people around that vaccination is a must. It is a must for every single person, and I think everybody should take it. I am only appealing this to the government that please allow the patients who are willing to take the vaccine to take the vaccine on time. This is a second spike, the second type of viruses that have come up for the corona right now are not sounding that great, are really scary, and they say that it has double mutation power, and that is very very scary for me. So I really wish that this goes to the government. Guys, if you can share it as much as you can. Let the government of India know that patients who are willing to take the vaccination, give the vaccination to them. Do this with me, guys. Hashtag vaccine the patients. Bye bye.